And it's hot too.
We're in Foley, Alabama, about to go and meet up with Harley Girl from Canada. About to go grub girls with them at Lambert's Cafe. They are. Yep.
Well, God said which way they coming in from. I said, I don't know, but I texted where we're parked.
Right.
It's in UK. Yeah, you guys did good, eh? Your timing.
Always get excited. People go.
Right.
Beautiful. Cute. Well, I'm going to give you a big hug. I feel like I'm meeting a celebrity.
We bring the family.
I've so admired your writing for years.
Oh, thank
Do you remember,
you.
like a long time ago, I spoke with Reg.
Yeah,
I know
probably
I know you conversed as well. It was like probably a year, 2 years ago. And he talked about when you come into a parking lot,
Right.
you loop up and then back in. That's how I first met you guys. But yeah. And then I learned a lot of stuff like from watching, right? Because
Wait a minute.
that's good. I've been writing a long time, but you picked up a lot.
They're talking in my ears.
Let me give you a hug. I'm so glad to meet you. I feel like I'm meeting celebrities. You two celebrities. I'm so glad that you guys took time to stop here.
We left. It was super foggy this morning.
That's true.
And so we had to put our jackets on, but it wasn't cold.
Scott.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Like cake and ice
she's like
Yeah.
she's like a real sweet cake. Yeah, that's cool.
Maybe we missed the rain or something.
Yeah, it
just
rained earlier. Did you guys have fog this morning?
bad fog.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we have to.
I
Postpone the
when I
time.
read your text, I went, oh, the delay is. I was like, you're going back
Yeah.
that way.
We're on our way to New Orleans for Christmas.
Look, y'all, look, y'all, look. Sometimes I just get excited, you know.
Yeah.
We always say we see things through kids' eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We coming around there, I say, when God, I said, there go the bikes right there. So when we start coming around there, what did I do? I got all giddy, yeah. Oh,
Everybody
know.
gets excited.
Look, yeah.
I think I'm a figment of her imagination.
So we go in there and get us a meal with some snowbirders. Yep.
Some rolls thrown at you.
And you say you're gonna be out here 3 months?
Yeah, we're down here till, well, we're heading to Bike Week in the end of February, so we're here till
And Daytona.
Daytona. Yeah.
Oh, we gonna be there. Y'all heard that? Bike Week Daytona. They're gonna be there. We're gonna be there too. So look, this is the first time I'm at a loss of words. Oh, look at that. Hondas and Harleys. Harleys and Hondas. That's what I'm talking about. There they go. We go and eat. We go and eat. We go and get us some bread, some rolls tossed at us. like?
Fish, yeah. I do like
When it
Now watch out, miss because of the camera.
Rich about to catch a roll at Lambert's Cafe. Home of throwing rolls.
I got video. I'm sorry.
And it's hot too. You're not kidding when you say hot roll.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Thing recording? Is it recording?
Hey.
It's recording.
Great.
Yes.
Hey y'all, we are here in Mississippi at the Silver Slipper Casino. We were headed to New Orleans after having lunch with Harley Girl. They came in from Canada and they are down in the United States snowbirds. So we found out that they was in our area, contacted them, and we agreed to have lunch with us while we are on our way to New Orleans.
Thumbs up. Got a room? Do we have a room?
Yes, we have the room.
Right, y'all. We got lucky. Got us a room.
Good.
Oh, we got an ocean view?
Yeah.
She said we got an ocean view. We got an ocean view. Ocean view.
We got an ocean view.
Huh?
We got an ocean view. Let's go take our bags up, then we come back and park the bike.
Oh, okay. There's a
A cart?
cart.
Yeah, right here.
Got a room. We got a room. We got a room. With no reservation. Look, y'all, we like this place. They even have motorcycle parking. Obviously not if you have a big crew, but this is pretty nice. We didn't even know about the motorcycle parking, so the guy just came and told us. Right? Every time we've been in one of these things and they claim they have a view, we've been disappointed. Cake said they told us we have an ocean. That looked like the wall to me. Say we had an ocean view, so we're gonna go see right now. Standard room, casino.
It's a nice room.
Oh, okay. Yes, look, finally. We got a water view.
We got a pool.
Yes.
This is the view of the pool. Wow.
Some good luck. Finally.
Wow.
Nice sandy beach. Don't look like nobody swim on there. But it's pretty sandy right there.
There's no boats in.
I see footprint. And that's the Gulf of Mexico, everybody. Yes,
Where the holes at?
the holes.
Yeah, it's a golf course.
Oh, I'm thinking that kind of holes. I was thinking the W. All right. We getting busy.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know what's happening.